Nakabenta ki khobor ke baman kasngi subscribe yo Antor News.
Kublai pi baro kini kilong ki khubor bam dagasngi. Ani kyndit biang kumbayu terang besen baga jela Meghalaya kan yok biang ki papang klam COVID hadu baladon iwe imen simbriu baladu no. Uni unong pang udai ubala South West nem ka arta ubadai nakashnong New Bari kabaha bagathan Raja Bala West Garo Hills. Na kaliang ka sarkar jela ling bakatnat ka koit ka kya kalapan menapat ba kidai banlong ki bahusiar hi naladi pensngau ka Dr. Emprin Emlingdo menteri ka koit ka kya syakilat pathai kubor ha office tray kam sekretarian. Ya kati ka jingpin mena jong ka sarkar ya ka jingdon bapang COVID ba ladon baklat ladon lang ki doktor ki officer Uram Kumar bat Usampat Kumar. Ka menteri ka bu ha ka jing start upat ba banlong ka jing yada daladi yaladi bat ha banbut iki kendon jong ka sarkar. Na kaliang ka sarkar kan yatri lang bat ki pat ba bat kamkwa ban penting ne penkhuslai henrei bat ka jingyap COVID-19 hajilla ka penkendit ya ka sarkar pensngau ka kong amprin.
Chapi ki pat ba ladon ko wai ke jingdu no yo ko mensim bokodor jong inong song jong ka jela ka bai jungi nakadaw jong ka jingpang lani ka klam COVID kadi kamut ba ka state jungi ni don kam menta banya ting banya sir ba kata ka COVID kan wan biang manong biang sa sisi ngi sim ong ba ka COVID kalalong biang kumbalong hakapor kitu kisnem bapan ting uklam ni kwa ban pentip uipi ba kani ka jingdu no ya kani ka wei kemensim jong undong sosnong ngindang pha biang ban test nang bang indup yo jingtip kham shai lada kajing kadaw jong kajing du no jong kajing im kadai chik tang la benta bayo COVID ne day ba ita i nong snong ila don lupa ki wei pat ki jingpang ki baban rengkat i rengkat pat ka COVID kabaar kalong don kam bingi ban pentip ipi ki pat ba namar bon buri ni ki pat ba kalong babak kelas ibu ngin pentip da ka basai bat ngin pentip ru da ka basai ba phim don kam ban syong sir na kanikadaw. Wat don kata ka jingmut ba kalawan biang kaklam jingpang COVID. Ngidon kam ruban pensyai syapi ba kajela kajongi baro ki jakas sumar ki lalong ki bala penkre na kabenta ban pet ba kaklam COVID kanum sapriang kumba ka sapriang hakisnem ki baladep. Ngi syukwa ban pentip syapi ki pat ba balada piwan na ki jaka ki badon kita ki COVID cases ki babon hakani ka ri India ne syakawai pat ka jaka pet bapinshim ya kita ki precautionary measures lani kita ki lat jing penyada sengoba yada yadi lada pinang wan na kumgini ki jaka pong ya ka mas ka jopi nakabenta san hadu inyoski nang ba lada don kanu kajing yolat jong kata kajing pang COVID bakan rung lani lada pidon ya ka infection jong kata kajing pang kanum long kajing pang kaban ban yapi kita ki dak kishin jong utau jing pang COVID hilong kumju kumbalong benswa pila bendon kajing pang biong kli ka bakra ani pila bendon kajing yo suot penhiar lani pila bendon kajing bamla manring mensim lani pio kajurho kabujur kita kilong biang kumju uta uknyang jingpang COVID om day unu uknyang jingpang ubat temai uba kajela kajuni nyimpak don kilat dawai ban yada tingi ongru ba kum kajat benriu haka imlang kasalang namar bangi yo i syaki weipat ki benta jong kani kari ke jongi kita ki nongpang ya kani ke jingpang COVID kila nang bon te ngi ha kani ke jela ngim kwa syo bangin poi syakato ka jinglong ka jingman ha ka ba kita ki nongpang COVID kila bon na do kata-kata batla hap khang do khang dam mingi halaki jong ki kisep nang manginum poi siya kataka pot ban haple igita kiki ito na pedang ginong song kiba snow pidon ye kita kidak kishin kibale si pidon yung tau jingpang covid snow bahalek bran siya kilat ay sumar blok ka blok ru kidon kita ki testing centers mentalili kidon ki home kits ru tang ba ngingi ong balada kita ki dak kishin kilong ki ba pims ngo la ban shan wat pen slam la ni wat jalan ban lei ut hospital namar ka jing pen jalan jong phi ka jing lei wat ya ka jing yarap kala ban long ka daw ka ban sha yu ni knyang jing pang ba un ban ya pi hado ba poi ka pot ba le si ki jing em ki ba kodor ru ni la ban do ki kwa ban itu ipi ba ya kata ka vaksin kata ka booster dose ka baki ong ne kata ka inject ka balai ngi kum ka sarkar ngim kwa ban bor yano ru ban shim ya kata ka inject jing yada hanrei lada peace ngo ba pila dai lupa inong song snong ki babon ki jat jingpang ki baban ya ka met ka chupi shim lupa ya ka ni ka booster dose nang ba pin pen klan ya kata ka jing yada jong ka met la jong na ka jing ban jong itu nyang jingpang ubaki ong covid kajela ka sarkar kan haprai ngin ya kendo rasli ning bat menteri rang ba jong kajela haka bangin ya syong ban ya selok kumno bangin le bat katno na kata ka booster dose ka bangin le ban thiet bat bangin ai bat ngin pen long ready ya ki pat ba ki shim namar ba ka inject covid kalong karai ka papirai shimet daladi ngi khuslai palada ngi shu thiet bulk ya kata ka covid kan yangi namar ba hidon ki kendon ban pendon kam ya kum kini ki injection jingyada pi hap ban pet ba lada pi pli ya ka sunduk jong kita ki inject hap ban pli bro spotuli season pli lom kumta kale no no ka to inject tikini ki daw ki babon kum kita ngis ngau ba kata ka demand buat ka supply ya kata ka inject ro ka dai bandon ti ngin rai ya kini ki bro lasing kong ban ngin sepentip yang ipi haka sing kong kum no ngin le kum ka jela ya kane ka jing sapriang dan ne ka jing pendon ya kini ki inject lat jing yada kam tam lele ya ki nong song snong ki baladon lupa ki babon jat ki jingpang hakimet ki joki na ki daw ki bapher ngim kwa ban ong ye phi baka covid kalawan wat nom snom thu bakla ya kata ngi ong chat baladon ko wei ke men sim briu ko kodor bangila do ni kwa ye phi kum ki nong snong opini shim ya kata kalat jingeda yele barabor ban pek ba pisat ikikti ki jongpi ada pi biong kli kam tam li le ne pi don kanu ke jingpang kum ke jerho apniar yele ban thia no marwei wat ya shong jan than bat hayeng hasemru shabaru soba ye shem ye katakalan na yami la pi don kum kita ki sign ba pen I ba pi don ka chance ba le si kala bandai ka covid rekat bo pimpak test wat mudur bakan dai ka covid testing kalong kalat ka tikna bat pentikna ya kata ka jingdon jong to nyang jingpang ha ka mai ka pi
kong ba pi on tan ni dang ha ban dai peni yang ba tikna ka dai be thik tang yu covid la ne gidon jingpang kelek mun ma ba gidang bon ha ki no so snong ni gidang apotin be ni dong ba bon sin hi kan ka jing pengat covid ka dai be ya ki bri ba don jingpang ba kum no ngin wen ni ta
pechne ni di benlong ka jat ba fi ko sai la dab ya dupa arsnem tam hakata ka chings ear ngim de shu ban tieng ban slai ne ban mudur nama pila de ya lembati ya kutu kalenti pila don ya kata ka ki ong timpareng experience ngidon kam menta ban ong ba pitip ba kadon kum kata kajing pang COVID. Pingeng, ni kajing start jung ba. Nakatakadaw ya ketika rejing ya daru, ngiong nginum la ban pun bori pirai hi status. But because one death has occurred, we are taking the precautions.
But we have seen in marketplaces, people have really not adhered to COVID
So that is
protocols
what we are
now.
saying at this point of time. Do not panic. Do not panic and don't feel panicked also. However, if you have the symptoms, then please take necessary precautions. This is what we're saying this time. At one point of time, every citizen was advised to take certain precautionary measures, wearing of mask and other things. But here we're saying that if you have a symptom, or if you've come out from a place where there is high positivity rate, take those precautions so that the panic does not occur in and around the community, electronic and print. We just thought that it would be in the fitness of things for us to inform you that we've had one casualty due to COVID this morning. We wanted to share this information with you because we thought that it would be correct if we told you that this has happened rather than media getting access to this information from other sources. Now, in the event of this one case now, we would like to take all necessary precautions. We would like to reiterate that we do not want to panic the public. The cases of COVID as of today stand at 5 in East Khasi Hills, 10 in West Garo Hills, and 2 in West Danti Hills. Numbers are well under control. There has been no sign that this would take a pandemic situation again. We feel that this is not going to happen, but nevertheless, because one death has occurred, we thought that we should share this with you. At this point of time, we request for the immediate implementation of all precautionary measures. We request the public at large to kindly adhere COVID practices so that we may be able to contain the situation and ensure that it does not become a problem. Please wear masks in crowded places. Please cough with etiquette. Same thing, wash your hands, use sanitizers. People with symptoms like cough, fever, sore throat, loss of taste, smell, breathlessness or other respiratory symptoms should immediately reach out to the first testing center. Testing centers are being made available at all block levels. All tertiary care centers will have all these facilities. We have not yet relaxed all of our COVID care centers. The state is in as a state, we are in a prepared stage. We, however, would like public to please take all precautions. The death occurred in Garo Hills, in West Garo Hills, and beyond that, we do not want to share information with you. Now, whether or not this one case was a case of death due to COVID directly, or was it because of some other comorbidity statuses of the patient, will be ascertained at the earliest. The death audit committee is already in place. It has always been in place. We never stopped it from functioning. They will ascertain this, and we will ensure that we will send all details to the audit committee to ensure whether or not it was a direct COVID-related death. Citizens traveling from areas where there is high positivity rate are requested to take personal precautionary measures. Please understand that your own self-action will be good for the state in the long run. If you do face any symptoms as already know, which is already known to the public. You know what the symptoms are, so please take precautions and take self isolation. Please remember that you remain indoors and stay on your own for the precautionary periods, so that we contain this from taking any serious turns. Now,